So first step you want to do is you want to clean off the tire. You could use alcohol and a towel, or you could sand it down and then wash it off, but as long as there's nothing left on the surface, you should be fine. Apply the glue, just do lines like this. You're not supposed to put too much glue on it. After you put the glue on, place it in the position you want it to be, and then press down hard on it. Use a little bit of force. Once you do that, I recommend using a heat gun and heating it down, heating it up a little bit so the glue solidifies and actually sticks to the tire. Peel off the plastic. What I did was I went to each individual letter, I heated it up individually, and I pressed down hard on it for about 5 to 10 seconds each, and they stuck on just fine. Sometimes the glue seeps from behind each letter and goes on your actual tire, like on top of or under it or whatever it is. So I kind of messed up, so I didn't wipe it down, but I recommend wiping it down, the excess glue that seeps from the sides, just because it looks super ugly in your tire and it's hard to take off. And once you do that, wait about 30 minutes to an hour to let the glue fully dry, and then you're good to drive on them.